Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Toshiba Mg10 series hard disk drive 3.5 inch 20TB CMR, which are high capacity hard drives designed primarily for enterprise and data center applications. In my case, this HDD will store all the videos I create for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. And to be honest, I really like the case that protects the drive. A hard, transparent case that allows you to see the external state of the drive. Compare it to other brands. Wow, that is a beauty. This model features a helium sealy design, which reduces air resistance inside the drive, enabling higher capacities, lower power consumption and improved thermal performance compared to air-filled drives. With Toshiba's flux control microwave assisted magnetic recording. That is a new technology. Rotation speed we have 7200 RPM, buffer size 512 MB, SATA 6. And here we can see, of course, the connection for the power and the SATA, screw holes for mounting at the case. I like the design. So let's install it on my PC and run some speed tests. It's a robust high-capacity storage solution and enterprise-level reliability, making it well suited for environments that demand consistent performance and large data storage capabilities. Whether used in data centers, cloud environments or large-scale enterprise systems, this drive provides the necessary features for managing significant amounts of data. While the Toshiba Mg10 series drives are not designed to compete with SSDs in terms of raw speed, they provide excellent performance for an enterprise HDD. Especially for sequential read-write operations, these drives are ideal for applications that require high-capacity storage with decent transfer speeds, such as data archiving, big data applications, and cloud storage. If you need performance beyond this, pairing these drives with an SSD for catching cloud provides a balanced storage solution. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, PC builds and year recommendations. Make sure to click the bell icon so you'll never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.